Hey Unisport Grip TV. First of all, you are making some great videos, and congratulations with your 100k subscribers. But I could really need some new boots, and as you can see, they are the Nike Vapor 9, and they are over 1 year old now, and they are beginning to broke here. That is not good. So I really need some new pair of boots. And I really like the Nike Mercurial Superfly FT version. And I really think you should give me them, because I'm good at shooting.
Make the ground shake.
Unisport Grip 3. I will appreciate if you let me win. Thank you.